That's obvious, see?
Just
okay,
try.
I just broke your sunglasses.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're right open.
This is teaching
Where's the
adult
TV
Blair
remote?
about skincare check. Okay, so you put 2 pumps. Well, my mom does 3, but...
No, I want 3 if that works better.
Okay, then you rub it in, and you go all over your face. And you'll be able to feel all of your crusties, dries, bumpies.
You rub it all in good.
You have to do it really good, though. If you put that much in, you're going to have to rub it in really good.
Yep.
Oh, what's that smell?
Nose.
It's like...
Tamanu.
Tamanu oil. So I think it smells really good. It smells like nutty. I think it smells really good. A lot of people say that...
Good job.
The reason that it smells like this is because this doesn't have any fragrances or perfumes or essential oils to make it smell good. It's just...
What the ingredients
Yeah,
are.
what the ingredients are, so it doesn't smell super, like, fragranced. Because fragrance is terrible.
Good job. I'm
Don't
impressed.
slap yourself!
Wow.
And you'll be able to feel all your crusties, dries, bumpies. You rub it all in good. You have to do it really good though. If you put that much in your ingredients are so it doesn't smell super like fragranced. Because fragrance is terrible. Good job. I'm impressed.